Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to see who's the quickest out of K.I.T.T and K.A.R.R from the 1980s Knight Rider series. Something I was very big into as a child and absolutely loved. So yeah, I'm going to see who's the quickest. The cars are pretty identical. There is some obvious detail difference though. K.A.R.R has the grey border around the bottom just below the wheel arches all the way around, and actually has an orange flashing light at the front, whereas K.I.T.T has the red. And I think on the K.A.R.R the roof is skylights are slightly darker than what they are on K.I.T.T. But anyway, I'll put them on and see how we get on. Thank you.